In today's class, we are going to understand the role of 0, the role of 1, negative of a number and reciprocal of numbers. Let us start with the role of 0. 0 is the additive identity for rational numbers as well integers and whole numbers. Take any number and add 0 to it, you will get same number. So 0 is called additive identity. Now let us consider one example. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. We'll consider one more example. 2 divided by 5 plus 0. So the answer is also 2 divided by 5. So we can say 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. It is the additive identity for integers and whole numbers as well. Next one is the role of 1. 1 is called multiplicative identity for rational numbers. You take any number and it is multiplied by 1, it gives same number. So we'll take 7 into 1. So the answer is 7. 1 into 7. Again the answer is 7. So we'll consider one more example. A rational number 3 by 8 into 1. So the result is 3 by 8 itself. So basically any number multiplied by 1, we get the same number. So we can say that 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. However, it does not hold good for 0. When multiplied 0 with 1, what do we get? We do not get the same number. Next one is negative of a number. If you multiply any given number by minus 1, the result that you get known as negative of a number, or we can say additive inverse of that number. Let me say once again, if you multiply any given number by minus 1, the result that you get known as negative of a number. Let us consider 3. If you multiply 3 by minus 1, you will get minus 3. So the minus 3 is a negative of a number 3. So we will consider one more example. 2 divided by 5 is multiplied by minus 1. So we will get the answer as minus 2 divided by 5. So minus 2 divided by 5 is negative of a number 2 divided by 5. So we can say in general for an integer a, we have a plus of minus a, or minus a plus a is equal to 0. So a is the negative of a minus a and minus a is the negative of a, or we can say if you get a positive number plus 3, what is the negative of that number? Minus 3. If you take 2 by 5, what is the negative of a number? Minus 2 by 5. Next one is reciprocal of a number. Let us talk about reciprocal of a number. Is one when multiplied by the number gives 1. If you multiply a divided by 21 by 21 divided by 8, will get the answer as 1. What do you mean that? 21 by 8 is reciprocal of 8 divided by 21. Now basically whenever you have to find the reciprocal of any rational number, all that happens is numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So the answer will be equal to 1. So we can say that a rational number b divided by a is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of another non-zero rational number a divided by b. If a divided by b into b divided by a is equal to 1. Now let's talk about how to represent rational numbers on number line. Now let us consider a number line. See, you can observe 0 is in the center, positive numbers are in the right side and negative numbers are in the left side. So we'll represent 1 by 2 on the number line. See, here you can observe numerator is less than denominator. First we see how to plot 1 by 2. The numerator 1 less than denominator 2. When numerator less than denominator, the positive rational number will be between 0 and 1. So we'll draw the number line like this. The number 1 by 2 has to lie between 0 and 1. Now we divide the length between 0 and 1 into equal parts. How many equal parts is the question. The denominator tells the number of equal parts. The denominator is 2, so we divide into 2 equal parts. What does the numerator tells? It tells us number part starting from 0. So numerator is 1 and therefore we take one part from 0 and mark 1 by 2 here. So we understood how to represent 1 by 2 on number line. Similarly, we can represent minus 1 by 2 on number line. So we will discuss more about representation of rational numbers on number line in a next class. Thank you.